Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this video we are going to see the strings in a PHP. So let's begin. So what is a string? So it is a group of a character or a sequence of a characters. In PHP, string is represented by either a single quote or a double quote. So these are the two examples. Here welcome is in a double quotes and Nilesh technology is in a single quotes. In PHP, you can write your string in a single quote or a double quote. Then there are two more ways where the string can be defined in a PHP. So there is a here doc or a now doc. Okay. So let's hear. This is a here doc. So this works similar as a double quotes. It means it can also print the variable's value. So this is your the example. So data is your the variable. So here they use the triple less than sign and use here the one variable. So this is your the my data word and write your the string. So this is a multi-line string. So when you end your the string, then write this word to represent this is the end of your the string. Okay. Same here in now doc. This is your my data, but difference is that this my data is in a single quote and this my data is in your the last word, and in between you write your the multi-line string. So here doc and the now doc both are using in a multi-line strings. So in this here doc and now doc you can write your the HTML tag directly and your the single quote and double quote right here directly. Okay. So next one is that there are the many built-in functions available in a string. So here some of them are here defined. So strlen is used to find the length of a string. Str to upper convert the string into uppercase, convert the string into lowercase. They compare the two string. UC first make a string first character uppercase. UC word uppercase the first character of each word in a string. Implode explode both are used to convert the string to array and the array to string. str return the first occurrence of a string. strtok tokenizing a string. Substr count the total number of a substring occurrences. Substr replace the text within a portion of a string, and a substr return the part of a string or a substring of a string. So these are the some predefined functions in a PHP. Okay. So there are the lot of library in a PHP, but some of them here we define. So let's see the one example. So test all of these function. So going to program mode. So see here, this is a program where we saw in previous video. So remove this code, save these changes. So here we define one string, for example $str is equal to hello, and this string here we print by using the echo $str. See here, this is your the string. Then if you want to print the double quote in the double quoted string, then use the slash double quote. Okay, see here double quote. See here double quote is in a output. Same here, if you want to print your string is in a single quote and you want to print the single quote is on output, then use the slash single quote. See single quoted hello. Then there are the two more strings in a PHP, here doc and now doc. So first here str is equal to triple less than sign my data, and this is your the string. This is a string hi hello, and here we use this my data and break this string. Echo we print the $str. So see here, this is your output. This is a string hi hello. So here you can use directly HTML tag. Okay. And if you want to print the double quote this hello, then see here directly use, there is no need to use the slash double quote. And one more is that you can also use the single quote directly. Okay. So this is the main benefit in this here doc string. So now doc is that just my data is in a single quote, save these changes. See, this is your output. Okay. So these are the two new strings tools in a PHP, here doc and the now doc. Now let's see the built-in functions in a PHP. So here we define a one string, for example $str is equal to welcome, and here we find the length by using the str-alien function. So see here, length is that the 7. Then again echo, for example, UC words $str. So here we use the BR to break the line, and for example this W is in a small case. Welcome to this channel. Save this. So see here, W is in a capital, T capital, T capital, C capital. So every word have the first letter is in a capital. So if you use the UC first, then only W is in a capital. Okay. Then there are the many more functions. For example, str to find the first occurrence of a string. So here we use the to. So see, to this channel, they return the string from the first occurrence of a TO, that is the substring. Okay. So these are the some built-in functions available in a PHP. So students, test this code on your machine. On next video we will learn about the function. Okay, so user defined function in a PHP. So till if you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.